something like that. Or we simply
no turn on red, and there's a car coming too. Dodge.
Well, thank you. Now let me tell you, Neil, Ann just became my favorite guest of all time.
He did not stop.
That was easy.
No stop. Jeep driver. No stop. Ram 1500.
Understanding. I can take it on faith that cis people are better than trans people, or white people are better than black people. None of those are actually true.
No, that was no turn on red.
On faith.
All right, morbidly obese. Greetings from across
Exit
the
dive
pond.
again.
I wanted to contact you to thank you.
Come on. Red light run. Yep.
I'm still working on ourselves and still working to fix this for
Those last two cars have a no turn on red.
We have to be the bridge.
Really?
Ideally, you already have another place to go. Okay, now there are extreme ways of doing. You can do it this way. Okay, why don't you get all the way out of your last relationship? Come on, guys. Like, that's what you wish you had the maturity to do. You know, but as I've said in my other specials, your dick is a dreamer.
Wait, what the fuck?
Your dick believes. Nah, man, we can do it.
The backup of shame and what the hell? Are you gonna go? Hello folks, I'd like to take a little time out here for a little announcement. I would like for you guys to be a little bit nice in the comments section of the video today, because today is my birthday. I feel a little bit older and a little bit more depressed about it. And in case you're wondering how old I am now, well...
37.
I'm 37?
Going to class.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the video. And a red light runner.
If you're a fully functioning adult, like, and you actually have done something with your life,
Nothing is red light run.
Like, they don't help out veterans the same they don't help out with anybody with any sort of fucking
let's say if that's a manual shift, how do you clutch? But that's You know, a much better plan would be to slow down and just let him in instead of merging into the center lane like that, you know? It might be a better plan. Fiat. Yeah, I found an actual Fiat. Amazing. I never see those cars. Well, me, it's nice talking to myself. A credit. What the fuck, man? Really? I knew I didn't like you.
Me throwing a grenade in your home for fun.
Hi.
Kind of serious. I would love to see you turn in like Ashton, and he feels a certain way, but the response is she's making me feel this way, so I've got to turn this back around on her.
Okay, for some context for this next clip, this car has been tailgating me for like the last 5 miles. And then all of a sudden, because the lane's about to end here, she figures she wants to pass me right now just before it ends at the last second. Very annoying.
Some of the best cheeses. I had duck.
Really?
I had pasta with fucking rabbit meat. There was like rabbit meat fucking bolognese. And it was absolute...
No stop. No stop. And what the hell is that? Let's see who's at fault there.
Some cool stuff to talk about, some fun stuff. Football is coming, fantasy football, which I do with my son, but
Wait, what the fuck? You're starting to come over here. Yeah, go, get on camera. Come on, there you go. You had your signal on, you were ready to merge in here, but you didn't for some reason. Now you're on the camera. Good job. Got your crowd of, and that was red light run up there too. Good thing I kept ranting and didn't turn the camera off yet, because, well, there you go. You get a bonus thing that went wrong.
So, some cool, fun stuff to talk about, and let's get into this episode.
You're
I want to thank everybody for their
TrueStoriesPodcast.com.
Red light run.
Okay, let's do
another Jeep driver.
Leave you.
Red light run. Jeep. Backup of shame. Yeah, how far back are you gonna go? Young but getting old before our time. You're on my ass, and can't you see all the jars that merged on that I have to pass? Come on. No Jeeps in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because there are signs everywhere that Jeeps are not allowed in the left lane. It's a for real law. There are signs that say it. It is not photoshopped. Oh well, sucks to be you. You're in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! And comment down below, which car brand should I make fun of next time? Alright, catch you guys in the next videos. Okay, bye!